quality versus quantity. My plans for the next week. So, well, next week will be tough in terms of time planning. So it means that I need to be focused like a laser beam. So, because basically I'm going on vacation for some time, so I had to juggle my responsibilities. Uh, and on this Friday, I will be answering questions regarding the open source. But as I understand, at least some of my mentees, they are already catching up and they're catching up extremely fast. So I need to bring them more realistic examples, not just modifying README files, although these files are important. So I need to think how I can benefit them most. Maybe I can benefit them by learning Golang and showing them how to contribute as a developer to the DevLake project from Apache Incubator platform. Or maybe I can take a look at one meetup recording, and there an online friend of mine, he basically he talked about for an hour about all the different roles which exist in IT. Maybe I can speak or we can speak about these roles and we can discuss how different roles can be applied, how open source can be applied to get into one of these beautiful roles. Or maybe it might be something else. Maybe we'll speak about design or something. I don't know, but it will be fun. So go to the meetup.com and find our group there. It's called Together We Open Source. And join, it's free and it's online. What can be better? Peace. Live long and prosper. See you guys.